The document that I just gave you have the address of the site. And on that site is a storeroom. But to get into it, there's a fingerprint that you need. And that's the fingerprint I just sent you.
Wow. Why I do this? Why I help me?
I understand how passionate you are about your projects, right? And I don't think it's right that you're being framed. Like I said, I owe you one.
So, I don't have to worry about this coming back to haunt me in any shape or form.
Listen, I understand that you have all reason to doubt me, Carlton. But I would not put my job on the line just to be wrong. I'm just helping, that's all it is.
Okay. I hear you. So your boss, Mr. Mullings, him have no clue about this?
Think about it. Be real. Do you really think Mr. Mullins would sanction something like this? Knowing how I really feel about him?
Huh? How you feel about me?
The same way I did when we just started talking.
You sure it's not just guilt you're feeling?
As it relates to doing my job, I don't feel guilty about that. What I feel heavily is putting my emotions aside when the targets were switched.
So, alright. Knowing what we know now, and who you are, who I am, you think there could really be a future between me?
In a perfect world, I would have been the best girlfriend slash wife or assistant. I would have even given up the agency for your cousin. That's how passionate I am about low income houses.
Oh. Too bad the world ain't perfect, ain't it?
But we could always create the perfect world.
We. Celine, what are you really up to?
What I'm up to right now is helping you clear your name. And whatever happens after that, happens. Shouldn't be doing this, but Tony Xpressionz has a daughter. She's 9 years old. He basically kidnapped her from her mother, and this is where he's keeping her.
What?
At this address. On the second page, you'll find the mother's address. The poor lady has not been the same since. But anyways, good luck.
Thanks, Celine.